Easy English. Ordinal numbers and dates made simple. Hello learners. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to focus on a very important topic, ordinal numbers and dates. You've probably come across these in your day-to-day conversations, writings, or readings. But have you ever wondered how to use them in dates, or even better, how to abbreviate these dates? Well, today is your lucky day, as we're going to simplify all that for you. Let's start by understanding what ordinal numbers are. Ordinal numbers are those that indicate the position or order of things in a list, like first, second, third, and so on. When it comes to dates, we use ordinal numbers to express the day in a specific month. For instance, let's take the date, 5th of June 2023. Here, 5th is an ordinal number. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's move on to the most awaited section, abbreviating dates. Usually, when writing dates in English, especially in formal writing or emails, it's common to abbreviate the date. This saves space and makes the text look cleaner. Consider the date, 1st of January 2023. This can be abbreviated as the 1st of January 2023. But wait, we can make it even shorter. We can write the same date as the 1st of January 2023. Yes, we drop the saint from first, making it simpler and easier. Similarly, 5th of June 2023 becomes the 5th of June 2023, 22nd of December 2023 becomes the 22nd of December 2023, and so on. Notice that in each case, we dropped the suffix attached to the day, like street, nd, road, th. You may wonder where it's appropriate to use these abbreviated dates. Well, you can use them in less formal contexts such as in personal letters, notes, or any other casual writing. However, remember in more formal contexts, such as academic or professional writing, it's usually recommended to write the date out in full. For example, in an academic essay, 5th of June 2023 is more appropriate, whereas in a personal note or message, the 5th of June 2023 is perfectly acceptable. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you've learned something new about how to use ordinal numbers and dates and how to abbreviate them. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language, so try to use these abbreviations in your everyday writing. Thanks for watching, and keep learning English with us. Stay tuned for our next lesson.